Caleb said he's the biggest book.
Caleb, what do you say?
Thank you.
Yay!
Rose.
Sorry.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Ooh,
Oh,
wow. Woo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Caleb. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, how was Sneaky doing for Halloween? It was Velcro. Do you talk? I saw it. It's Velcro. You did so. Eat sweets. Yo, write that
Guys, does anybody want a picture with the bird? Yeah? So here's what we're gonna do. You don't mind. We're gonna take pictures over here right by the banner. We're gonna do it one at a time. I'm gonna take a picture with this camera so you can go home with a picture. And Caleb's mom is gonna take a picture.